This is not just another Tamar Valley home. This is a quality-built retreat finished to the highest of standards. From the butler's pantry to the master's suite and the spectacular views, every space in this home has been designed with quality in mind. But it is what is hidden downstairs that might surprise you the most. As we move through the heart of the home, you'll notice the open plan living area is not just spacious but also bathed in natural light, making it the perfect place to unwind or entertain. The kitchen, fitted with top-tier appliances and an expansive butler's pantry, is a home chef's dream. Step out onto the main balcony and just take in those river views. And for a bit of privacy, the master suite has its own private deck, making it a true retreat. Downstairs, you'll find that the subfloor has been brilliantly transformed into an ultimate man cave. It's a space that truly has to be seen to be believed. Every inch of this home has been designed for easy, stylish living, from the double glazed windows to the solar boosted hot water system and low maintenance native gardens. If you're looking for a quality built home, endless storage and a lifestyle to match, 112A Rosevears Drive may just be the one. I'm Parry and I can't wait to take you through.